Hey, y'all. I'm just busy as a cat covering it up today because I'm getting ready for house guests. And one of the things that I want to send home with them is some zucchini bread. So why don't we get to cooking? All we have to do is just stir in our sugar to our flour and our cinnamon, our nutmeg, and salt, and baking soda. I'm gonna give that a quick stir. All right, now I've got 4 eggs here that I'm gonna just beat them with a fork where they're kind of turn a nice soft light yellow. Now we're just gonna add some water along with our oil. Y'all know what I'm saying when I say oil, don't you? I have a lot of people kidding me about what is oil. That's O-I-L. All right, now we're gonna take a zucchini. I have washed him, but we're just gonna grate him. We're gonna need about 2 cups of zucchini. You know, I've always heard that house guests and fish have a lot in common. After about 3 days, they both start to stinking. And I'm gonna try not to let my guests start stinking. Now I'm gonna take a lemon and squeeze a little juice over that zucchini, you know, and that prevents things from turning dark on you, like that. So we're just gonna pile all that into our other ingredients. Isn't that zucchini pretty, pretty, pretty? And I just love it with the peelings on. So we're just gonna mix this up and then I'll add the nuts last. All right, now I'm gonna fold in our nuts. And I'm using walnuts. You can use pecans or any of a macadamia would be real good. But you can use just whatever your favorite nut is. And you can see how easy this batter was for us to mix up. All right, now I'm gonna lightly spray our pan with a nonstick spray. These make the neatest breads for giveaways at Christmas time. I love making homemade goodie baskets for friends. Now I've chosen today to make mine in the little mini pans because they're, to me, just the right size. If you make a whole loaf of bread, there's a good chance it'll go stale before you eat it all. And I just like being able to pull out little loaves, and it's just enough for 2 people for 1 meal or 1 snack. Depending on what time of year it is, like around Thanksgiving and in the fall, I love making pumpkin bread. You know, it just really depends on what the season is as to what fruit or vegetable you can put in this bread. Okay, these are ready. Like I said, I'm going to throw these into the oven, 350 preheated oven, and I'm going to bake them for about 45 minutes. That's good batter. Tastes like banana nut bread. Now, as I said, I've got some I had put in the oven earlier, and I put them on the counter to cool. So let's see what we've got here. These are nice and cool. Look at there. Anything worth having is worth a little work. Look how pretty these are. And I think I'm gonna just have to try one of these cakes because, you know, I made plenty. So let's see what we've got. Now I've mixed up an herb type cream cheese. Now you can use softened butter, but you can bet one thing, I'll have plenty different options for my guest to try. This is out of this world. You're gonna love it. When we come back, I've got a friend, Wayne, who gave me a recipe for some wonderful crab soup. You're gonna love it. It's got a lot of ingredients, but it's got a heck of a lot of flavor too. So I'll look forward to seeing y'all back in the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.